Alright guys, so yun po, ngayon po ay maggagala kami kasi it's her birthday. Happy birthday to you. Absent siya sa work, hindi siya ngayon na pumasok sa work.
Wala rin, sir. Ay, annual leave lang.
So nag-annual leave pala siya, hindi pala absent. Sorry, nag-leave siya para sa birthday niya ngayon. Ngayon gagala kami. So kami po ay pupunta ng McDonald's or McDonald's. Pag birthday mo, meron silang gift, free food for you. Yan po, may free gift siya. Redeem your free 3 piece ayam. Uy,
Tender, ayam tender ni semua-semua ni.
limited time only yung goy.
Ini 10 AM nanti 2 AM.
Oh, let's go. Yung free food na yan, makukuha mo lang kung may naka-registered ka sa apps ng McDonald's. So, tara guys, kukunin natin.
Alright guys, we are in Upper Mountain now.
So, we're gonna take our free food. So, ito na tayo sa loob ng McDonald's.
Boleh sit.
Oi. Mana? Makan here first ah? Hah?
Boleh.
Boleh. So ito yung pa-birthday. Birthday present. So alright, galing po kami dun sa McDonald's at yun, kinuha namin yung free gift. Tapos kinain na din namin doon. Ngayon naman dito naman tayo sa KFC. Punta tayo doon sa KFC guys. KFC kapitbahay lang. So yan yung KFC. So guys, dito na.
Very happy.
So ito na yung pa-birthday ng KFC sa kanya. Which one?
Holding KFC.
Ando na. So nakadalawa na tayo.
Next is Starbucks.
Next, Starbucks.
Meow. But before that, let me check if the order is correct or not, because KFC usually wrong.
Oh, you want to check on boy?
Huh.
Sure. Then how what you want to? Show me to take. Oh, so guys, i-check muna niya kasi minsan mali yung tawag nito, mali yung mga nilagay na order. I-check niya kung tama ba yung order. Guys, so ngayon po ay pupunta kami doon sa Starbucks para kunin na naman yung pa-birthday ng Starbucks sa kanya. So let's go. Dito kami sa Starbucks. Dito po ay buy one free
Free one.
Buy one free one Tapos meron siyang
Free birthday cake.
free birthday cake. Happy birthday Mira.
Thank you po.
Sa Starbucks. Tapos na kami kumain. Kanya mo ka na?
Very happy. Baba susuwa.
Guys, pupunta kami ngayon sa aming sasakyan.
We not yet go back tau.
Mana go?
We just doing water first. Actually, I want to see the new playground that they offer.
Which one? Ah, okay, let's go. Alright. Oh, you're not finished ah. This one almost finished.
You are finish ah? Why not drink you?
Of course, I like. I know you're over there.
Sini boleh?
Sini lang. So guys, kukunin lang namin yung Coke drinks doon sa yung cold drinks doon sa
Because we have a lot of food today. We can choose what we want. I feel like eating cool drink. So we go to car.
kunin namin dito yung drinks, yung cold drinks kasi iniwan namin yung KFC drinks, yung cold drinks. So yun, hindi alam kung hindi na malamig, hindi na cold, so we will can you put this also? Can fit okay, that's it. So tataba talaga tayo dito kasi matamis. So guys, let's go, babalik kami dun sa taas.
I'm too full right now.
Ha?
Too full.
Ring ring ring.
Hello, sayang. Hello.
Birthday girl.
Meow.
Sini 3 jam. Kita kira head charge kat sini. So satu orang 18
Tapi 3 jam kan?
Ya, ini
Hey, this is Tagalog song from Philippines. Tanggap ko aking sinta, pangarap lang kita. Next song. Lying alone with my head on the phone, thinking of you till March. I want you to get back and carry me home, away from this lonely night so wrong. Punta ng tell me that you wait for me.
Through the year. Huh?
Yeah, through the years. Through the years, when everything went wrong, together, what I can help, like a river flows surely to the sea, falling in love with you. Thank you. Now guys, lalabas na po kami. Tapos na yung oras namin. So yun, nandito na kami sa car at enjoy tayo doon guys. So ngayon po ay kailangan na natin magpaalam. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Uy, say bye bye to them.
Bye-bye.
Don't forget.
Don't forget to give me present.
Happy birthday and goodbye sa inyo lahat at mag-ingat kayo palagi. Peace out.